Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ServiceNow on macOS, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your macOS device. Navigate to the ServiceNow login page. In the address bar, type the URL provided by your organization. Press the Enter key to go to the login page. Locate the username field on the login form. Click on the username field and enter your username. Next, find the password field below the username. Click on the password field and type in your password. Double-check that your credentials are entered correctly. Look for any options related to Remember Me or Stay Signed In. If desired, check the box to stay logged in. Now, locate the Login button on the page. Click the Login button to proceed. Wait a moment for the page to load. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your ServiceNow dashboard. If you encounter an error, verify your username and password for accuracy. If you cannot remember your password, use the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you can start using ServiceNow for your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.